Section 3 is a targeting mode. We'll do a long press on the up arrow, which is 4 seconds, to bring us into the targeting mode. When you look through the lens, what you will see most likely is STD. STD stands for the standard mode and will be where you spend the majority of the time when you're doing measurements. If you hit the down arrow one time, it will take you to the continuous mode. Continuous is where when you hold the button down and you scan across an environment, it will actually show the distances as they change. You can also do exactly the same thing in the standard mode as a continuous. Really chews up your batteries. Hit your down arrow one more time. That will show CLO or closest. This is telling the laser that you want only the reading that is the closest to you. So if there's a lot of things behind that you may be afraid that you're hitting, this is a great tool. The next, hit your down arrow one time and you will see farthest. This is the opposite. This is where if you had low-hanging branches, maybe some grass, maybe a barbed wire fence, that it will ignore all of those and only bring us the farthest reading. The final mode is FLT or filter. This is a very powerful mode in that it actually turns on an electronic filter in the handheld that tells it to look for a reflective source. That can be a bicycle reflector, it can be a sideway marker, it can be 3M paint, but we'll search for that reflective. It will also extend the distance that you're shooting and your accuracy. It's very powerful. It's also the #1 call on why my laser isn't shooting very far. And you will know when the filter mode is on, it's because there is a large F in the upper left-hand corner. And again, to turn the filter off and go to standard mode, long press 4 seconds on the top, and you'll scroll up or down until you see STD in the screen and you hit the fire button. That's where you're going to spend most of your time. That's Section 3, target modes.